Today I am in the Forest Hill area, and as you can see, I'm right below the famous Forest Hill Bridge, which you can see in the movie Triple X with Vin Diesel jumping a Corvette off it or something ridiculous like that. It is one of the highest bridges in the United States, and I think it's the highest in California. They built it when there were plans to construct Auburn Dam, which would actually have flooded this entire valley. But due to protests, the project was stopped. And so now we have this enormous bridge and the river area has been preserved. Today I am actually hoping to find a quarry that I have seen on the road up to Cool near Auburn. There are a number of trails that crisscross back and forth up toward it, and I am pretty sure that at least part of it has been converted to a climbing area. So there's going to be some pretty cool stuff. Would have been nice if these posted this back where I paid to get in instead of half a mile down the trail. Up above the canyon there, you can see one of my favorite roads. Before the Forest Hill Bridge was constructed, the only way to get through this valley was to drive all the way down from Auburn back there and then all the way back up again. So that bridge cut off a pretty big section of the drive, but you also miss a lot of scenery. Seeing that part of the trail is apparently closed. Good time for a map check. Rock slide. Oh, this is fresh. Looks like another one's about to come in too, maybe. Looks like a castle. Wonder if this is a okay. Well, not sure what the point of that was, but yeah. I gotta see what's up here. I mean, who am I kidding, right? Like, I'm not gonna go look at this. Traction minimal. Got about a 70-degree slope here. Mostly made of slippery rocks. Huh. Once again, this kind of looks like something that probably went across the canyon, but I can't really see what it would be. This sounds like the source of the waterfall. Well, it's back there, but it's buried under blackberry bushes. All right. Well, that was cool. Oh, it looks like there's a route back, so I don't have to go down that hill. Here we are, climbing area. I shall return. First, I want to see what this is. Oh, hello. Apparently you can't go in here because you might be attacked by a mammoth. Oh, man. If there's a gate A, what other gates might there be? Alright, it is about 11:30. I just got out of Hobber Cave Gate A. The climbing walls are closed, and I don't plan on climbing, so I'm thinking I'm good. Cool! Oh my gosh, look at this. Whoa. Dang. Oh yeah, look at some great climbing in here. Whoa. Wow. Oh, this is so cool. Wow. Horseshoe Canyon. Oh my gosh, no way. Oh, look at that cave. Oh man. Now I do wish I had climbing gear and someone who knew how to use it. So it's 12 o'clock, and strangely enough, according to the GPS, I am at Hover Gate B. However, my phone does not have a good GPS, so I can't be certain. Okay, I've had a little snack. I'm gonna head up this trail and see where I end up. So this area has a fence. The fence is kind of rolled down. There's no sign saying not to go here, although it's pretty clear that they don't want you to. Wow, there's a fence with razor wire up there. That's got to be hiding something cool. You know what? This is the other end of the quarry, I would bet. So, I have not walked past any signs saying not to go here, and I will not. However, that doesn't mean I'm not going to walk right up to the fence. Alright, fine, I won't go across your stupid fence. Man, this is some pretty serious elevation gain for Auburn. Crazy. All right, moving on. Quite an aerobic little hill. Whew. All right, well, that was only about 10 minutes, so not bad. It was a tiring 10 minutes, but pretty hard to see. But coming in, that's the valley that I walked in on. So this road just keeps going. I can actually hear traffic up ahead of me, which means I'm probably getting pretty close to 49, which means I'm also probably going to turn back to the left and maybe be able to see the quarry. That would be cool. I'm just gonna go ahead and walk up here and tag 49 just to say I've been there. Tag. I can't believe I just walked all the way to Highway 49. That's hilarious. And there it is. So this is one of those areas you can get to in about 45 seconds from the road. All right, well, as you can see, I made it to the quarry. So I'm just gonna grab a bite, a little bit to drink, and head back down. I will film parts of the hike out if there's anything new to see, but just in case there isn't, thank you for being here with me. I'm Doug, this is Backcountry Pilgrim. Thanks for watching.